In primetime news this evening, security sector stable. Labour Minister tells the House security guard dispute has been settled.
Constitutional Reform Committee facing questions at Town Hall meeting in Montego Bay.
And NWC to continue water restrictions despite recent rainfall. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices, and guess what? You don't need to run to the pumps today, so I'll give you those details and so much more during the business day a little later on.
Prices are going down. Good. And from Javon, we go to Jeremy Brown. He's here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jeremy?
Well, thank you, Herman. I'll tell you who's also going down, or maybe not, in the Jamaica Premier League. Relegation threatened teams at Chapelton Maroons and Falkland FC. Well, their future is still unclear. We'll tell you about that a bit later on.
And what is also unclear is when we will get out of this drought. Remain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Janella. We do have a few more days of dry conditions across most of the island, especially central and eastern parishes. But we're not expecting any significant rainfall until about next week.
All right. There's also sports commentary at E! Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Which model should Jamaica adopt? A ceremonial president or an executive president who would assume the role of head of state and head of the executive? Please give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.